How's it going, everybody? I'm Rob Mayer and this is my gardening habit. I've been planning on making this video for a long time and I just keep putting it off and think the weather's not right, conditions aren't good, and I just keep on putting it off and it's never getting done. So here it is. I'm just making this to welcome everybody to the website, to our Facebook page, Instagram, whatever it is that you've found us on. We're on all social media platforms. You can check out links below, or you can go to go to mygardeninghabit.com and take a look around. It's still pretty early. By the time this is posted, the site might not even be up, but we're working on it. So what this is just a way of cataloging the adventures that I'm having in the garden, my ups and downs, my wins, my losses. You know, I watch a ton of gardening videos, and I have to say that, you know, you can learn some stuff from the gardening videos, but you really just got to get out and do it. You know, if you think that your soil sucks, get out and do something about the soil. Look up some videos about composting. Look up videos on how to amend the soil with good stuff. There's so many different things that you can do. There's so many different resources out there that you can get into to get started in gardening. It's out there. You just got to look for it, and then you got to get out and do it. So get out. You're going to have failures. I'm going to show you plenty of mine on here. You're going to have a lot of good things too. You get some good healthy veggies from it too. So give you a quick little rundown of what we got going on right now, and you know, that's it. So what we've got going in the greenhouse is a aquaponics system. We have about 20 blue tilapia. They're about 4.5 months old at this point. And from everything that I've read, they plateau at about 7.5 months in weight, anywhere from 1 pound to 1.5 pounds. This is my first experience with aquaponics. Most of the time I've been just doing backyard gardening in the dirt, composting, starting my own seeds each year, and then or buying some stuff from the garden center. This year we decided to start an aquaponics system. So I'll do some more videos on that later. I'll get into depth about exactly what we have going on, but to show you right now, like I said, it's 62 degrees outside. We've had a couple nights into the 20s here in Jersey, and we've still got tomatoes growing. The temperature in here has dipped down roughly, I'd say, about into the mid 30s, mid to high 30s. But I think that the tomatoes are still doing okay because our water temperature is still at 80 degrees. We're close to, right now we're running at 79.4. So, yep, we've got some tomatoes still growing. We've got some green peppers back here growing. These are Ozark Giants. Here's a bigger one. This one's ready to pick. The plants themselves are looking real nice and healthy. We got a little lilac bell pepper back here. We've harvested 2 of them so far. It's not a very big greenhouse. It's only, I think it's 10 by 15. We've got some spider plants in here, trying to keep them out of the cold. Some Swiss chard growing back here with some tomatoes. These tomato plants that are in this little aquaponics system are actually cuttings from other tomato plants that we had planted out in the earth garden. So I was amazed at how well they took off. I think next year I'll probably do some rooting in here and then get them out of here. The space is not good for them. They're so cramped. At one point they were actually growing up out of this window and down the side. We got a couple really nice tomatoes off of them earlier, but it's too cold out now. I had to close the window. You see here, These things are loving the aquaponics water. Look at the roots on these. Would you just look at it? They've grown so much. They're growing down the drain pipe and down into the bilge tank. Would you just look at it? So we got some basil growing still. We had some purple basil here. I believe it was opal basil. As you can see, it's not really too purple at the moment. I'm not sure if that's just how old it is or maybe the nutrient content in the water. This here was supposed to be purple basil too. It's not doing so hot. I got to do some cleaning out in here. This bed over here, I had a Beams yellow pear tomato plant in here that grew like crazy. It was all over the ceiling, and eventually I had to cut it out. It hadn't produced a single tomato, and then it just kind of started to die off. Back where the spider plant is, we had two Kentucky Wonder pole plants, pole beans, that came out across the top here. We probably produced a good 10 pounds of beans off of that this year. So things have been good. It's been very productive in here. It's been an awesome little experiment. Like I said, I'll get into the system more later. We currently have plans to build a bigger greenhouse, probably a hoop house. And we'll probably be working on that. If we have a warm winter, we might get it started in January or February, but we'll see how things go. So, for now, I'd just like to say thank you for stopping by. Again, check us out on Instagram, Facebook. I think we have a Pinterest account too. We're on all the social media platforms. If you want to help support my gardening habit, the best thing you can do is like and share this video. Maybe hit subscribe or hit the little bell to get notifications that we have another video. And follow us on the other websites. I'm sure you'll get updates about the videos also. Have a great day.